Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to insert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document. So there's several ways to do this, so depending on your file and depending on your goals, you could decide which way works the best for you. So let me show you the PDF files we're going to be working with here. So the first one, we have this single page PDF with an image in it. And then we also have this multi-page PDF with several images in it. So it's 4 pages there. Okay, so let's close this out. Okay, so now we're going to insert this PDF right in the middle of this Word document here, like so. All right, so the first way, go to the Insert tab, and then the text group, and then select Object. So I'm recording at a low resolution, so that's why you can't really see the word there. So we're going to pick Adobe Acrobat Document, click OK. It's going to open up your PDF reader. It might not be Adobe Reader, so whatever PDF program you're using, it'll probably open that up. All right, so let's do the single page one first. So it opens it up in the reader, so you just close that out. And then when you go back to Word, you'll see it's inserted there, but it's an image of the PDF. You can't edit the text or do anything with it. It's just like if you were to add a picture, you could drag it around and resize it and that type of thing. So put it right where we had the cursor. Okay, so let's get rid of that, and we'll try it again with the 4-page document. Insert Object. Okay, so you can see it did the same thing, but you can only see the first page. It doesn't put all the pages in there, and you still can't edit it. But if you double-click on the image, it'll open up that file in your PDF reader. But it's not obvious that that's what it does unless somebody knows to double-click on the image there to do so. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is going back to the same menu here, Object, but we're going to check this box, Display as Icon, and that'll show this Adobe Acrobat icon. And you could change the icon if you have a different type of ICO file, otherwise you'll just use the default, which is fine here. So now we need to pick the file again, so let's pick the 4-page one. So now you can see we have a Acrobat icon for it, so we just double-click the icon, and that opens up the PDF document like so, just like the other way. Of course, you could resize it if you want to and move it around the page, cut it and paste it somewhere else if needed. Okay, so what if you want to add your PDF document but make it editable text? So you go up to the same menu here, but this time pick Text from File. So let's do the 4-page one here. So it says it's going to convert your PDF to editable Word document, optimized to edit text. Might not look exactly like the original, especially if it contains graphics. So your results will vary depending how complex your PDF file is. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay, let's go back up to the starting point here. All right, so there's where we started. So we have our text. You can see it missed some of the letters here, like Microsoft, and this should be printing, like that. Took the images just fine. And then ends right here. So that didn't seem to work too great, but you could always just go back and correct the mistakes and just fix anything that didn't import correctly. All right, so once again, Insert menu, Object, and then you could just pick the first one here, import the first page of the PDF, and you could double-click it to open the file, or you could check this box and have the Adobe Acrobat icon, which you double-click to open the file, or you could pick the Text from File option and then browse to the file and then hope that it converts it correctly. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.